The past week has been electrifying for space enthusiasts worldwide. SpaceX, the trailblazing aerospace company, has been making headlines with its relentless pursuit of pushing the boundaries of space exploration. From the fiery roar of Starship's engines to the steady progress at their launch and build sites, SpaceX has showcased remarkable advancements. At the heart of this excitement is Starship, SpaceX's fully reusable spacecraft designed to carry crew and cargo to Earth orbit, the Moon, Mars, and beyond. This past week, SpaceX achieved significant milestones in their journey to make life multiplanetary. The successful static fire test of Starship's powerful Raptor engines marked a critical step towards orbital flights. Despite a recent abort during the Astronus mission, Falcon 9 has consistently delivered, showcasing SpaceX's commitment to advancing space technology. The desolate landscape of Boca Chica, Texas, was recently shaken by the thunderous roar of Starship's Raptor engines. This wasn't just another routine test, it was a historical event marking the first-ever static fire of a Block II Starship. The air crackled with anticipation as Starship, mounted atop its massive launch stand, roared to life. This static fire test was not only about testing the engines but also about pushing the spacecraft to its limits. The test involved a full-duration load test, simulating the immense stress and pressure Starship would experience during an actual launch. The successful static fire test is a testament to the dedication and ingenuity of the SpaceX team. With the successful static fire test behind them, SpaceX is now laser-focused on preparing Starship for its inaugural orbital flight. This ambitious endeavor requires overcoming numerous technical challenges, and SpaceX is leaving no stone unturned. One of the key challenges lies in developing a reliable method for Starship to return to Earth and land safely after completing an orbital mission. The Raptor engine, designed and manufactured by SpaceX, is the most powerful rocket engine ever built. Its ability to be restarted multiple times in flight is crucial for Starship to maneuver in space, change orbits, and execute a precise landing back on Earth. These engines can be swiveled in different directions, allowing for precise control during descent and landing. SpaceX's meticulous preparations for orbital flights demonstrate their commitment to safety and reliability. As SpaceX gears up for Starship's orbital debut, all eyes are on the upcoming Flight Test 7. This highly anticipated test flight is designed to gather crucial data and validate the spacecraft's capabilities in a suborbital environment. Flight Test 7 will see Starship launched on a suborbital trajectory, reaching the edge of space before returning to Earth for a soft landing. This ambitious test flight will push the spacecraft to its limits, testing its aerodynamic performance, heat shield and landing systems. The FAA granted SpaceX the necessary launch license in record time, demonstrating the regulatory body's confidence in SpaceX's safety protocols. The data gathered during this test will be invaluable in refining Starship's design and ensuring its readiness for the challenges of orbital spaceflight. Each test flight brings us closer to a future where space travel becomes more accessible, opening up a universe of possibilities. Starbase, a launchpad for the future. Down in South Texas, SpaceX is not just building a spacecraft, they are constructing an entirely new spaceport, a launchpad for the future. The launchpad itself is undergoing continuous upgrades to accommodate the immense power of Starship. Reinforced plates are being installed to withstand the intense forces generated during launch, while a state-of-the-art water deluge system will mitigate the acoustic energy released during engine ignition. Beyond the launchpad, Starbase is expanding rapidly. New infrastructure is being built to support the development, assembly, and testing of Starship and its Super Heavy booster. The rapid development of Starbase is a testament to SpaceX's commitment to accelerating the pace of space exploration. Building towards the star's progress at the build site. The heart of Starship's development lies in the bustling build site, where engineers and technicians work tirelessly to bring this ambitious spacecraft to life. The build site is a hive of activity, with teams working around the clock to assemble Starship and its towering Super Heavy booster. Progress on Booster 16, the next iteration of the Super Heavy booster, is well underway. Technicians are meticulously installing Raptor engines, while engineers are conducting rigorous testing of the booster's various systems. SpaceX is constantly refining its assembly process, learning from each iteration of Starship and Super Heavy. New techniques and technologies are being implemented to streamline production and improve efficiency, ultimately accelerating the pace of development. Falcon 9, a reliable workhorse reaching new heights. While Starship garners much of the attention, SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket continues to be a reliable workhorse, consistently delivering payloads to orbit and supporting the International Space Station. This reusable rocket has become a symbol of SpaceX's commitment to making spaceflight more accessible and affordable. Recent Falcon 9 launches have included missions to deploy Starlink satellites, expanding global internet coverage, and transporting crucial supplies to the International Space Station. These missions highlight the versatility and reliability of Falcon 9, which has become a cornerstone of SpaceX's operations. Despite its impressive track record, Falcon 9 recently experienced an abort during the Astranus mission. The continued success of Falcon 9, coupled with SpaceX's commitment to learning from setbacks, demonstrates their dedication to advancing space technology. The future of space exploration, a continuous journey of innovation. As SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of space exploration, the future seems brimming with possibilities. Starship's development is progressing at an unprecedented pace, bringing us closer to a future where humans can travel to Mars and beyond. The successful static fire test and upcoming Flight Test 7 are significant milestones in Starship's journey. These tests are not just about proving the spacecraft's capabilities but also about gathering valuable data that will inform future iterations and accelerate development. SpaceX's ambitious plans extend far beyond Earth's orbit. Their vision of making life multiplanetary is driving them to develop technologies that will enable humans to establish a permanent presence on Mars.